Welcome to Harmony. For nearly half a century, the world has relied on Harmony Enterprises as the complete provider for the recycling and waste solutions. Harmony Enterprises is a third-generation family-owned company that provides environmental solutions on a global scale. Located in the beautiful rural bluff country of Harmony, Minnesota, our employees embrace their Midwestern work ethic while they live, work, and play in and around our community. Harmony Enterprises lives its core values. Our team members are committed, passionate, innovative, have the courage to make a difference, and enhance our shared experience with each other, our customers, and community. Harmony Enterprises manufactures balers, compactors, and beverage destruction equipment. Our products are recognized worldwide for their reliability, durability, and functionality. They truly represent the best our industry has to offer. Whether your needs are big or small, Harmony is here to provide you with the best possible solution for your business. Our engineering and design teams work with the most recent technologies to create innovative and quality solutions for your business. Our world-class customer service is ready to assist you with freight, installation, and 24-hour technical support that includes complete service coverage throughout the United States. Harmony Equipment Rental also offers a complete line of recycling and waste equipment that is perfect for your budget. In addition to having freight and installation included for your benefit, our rentals can improve your cash flow and are 100% tax deductible. Equipment maintenance is included with every rental program. We are ISO certified and maintain positive business relationships all over the world. With offices in both Minnesota and Toulouse, France, our positive impact on the environment is helping to make our world a better place for generations to come. Harmony continues to lead in innovation. Our Insight wireless monitoring systems make it possible for our customers to manage their labor and hauling costs at an efficiency rate never seen before in our industry. These devices allow for real-time data to be reported on a cloud-based dashboard through text messages or emails, helping to positively impact your company's bottom line. Our Harmony SunPack solar option allows businesses that operate in a sustainability-minded manner to utilize our products completely off the grid. With both federal and state incentives for solar energy, it's a cost-effective way to manage waste while providing a clean energy solution for the environment. Harmony's commitment to the community shines through with its support of several of the area's arts projects, school functions, and Chamber of Commerce benefits. The Harmony Kids Learning Center, located just across from our main plant property, provides our employees and our entire community the opportunity for quality daycare and educational services for their children. Don't put off making the best decision for your business's recycling or waste management needs. Contact us today and experience Harmony for yourself.